Mr. Cody's doing it pro. Okay, what do we do with your pole? Exactly. Yay, I'm such a good instructor. Okay, we're going that way, I guess. Yay! This is by far... Okay, don't twist your body. That's not going to do anything. Okay, that's when you start eating shit. Stop. Slow down a little. Okay. Whatever way you like.
I don't remember.
That way's really downhill. When the moon comes through. Whoa. Okay, this is the same spot we spent like 30 minutes last time. So let's not fall. Lean forward. Okay, we want to go that way. That was sort of my fault.
What?
I was standing still though. Well, at least your skis came up. You can get up quick.
Both
of them?
I was wondering why that didn't hurt. I was like, this is really not painful at all.
Woo!
Are they like, are they both the same or they're right and left?
No, it's the same. They're completely symmetrical. Toe in.
I was kind of wondering that.
Completely symmetrical. Toe in. It's not in. It's in now. Slam it. Slam it.
I think it's in all the way.
Okay. Well, you locked it.
I locked it?
Just step with your foot on it.
I can't get my
Okay,
foot
it's
on
unlocked.
it.
It's unlocked.
It is?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, put your toes in first. Okay, slam it. Slam it. There you go.
Okay.
Lift your foot up. Lift it. See if it comes out.
I am lifting.
It's stuck behind the other ski. Okay. Go.
Kind of worried.
Have fun eating shit.
Here.
You want to go that way?
Which way?
That's like a straight drop.
Yeah, I don't want to go that way.
Okay, then we're going this way. But then you can't fall. I forbid you to fall. It's not even that bad of a hill.
No, I can fall.
Ah! Okay, you haven't even started going yet. Okay, we went over this. Get up from the front. Oh, yeah! You've gone up more than you have actually skied today. Never mind.
Never mind.
You'll hear it on the video. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I promised my mom I won't speed. And I don't want you to be late to work.
What are you talking about? I don't even know what you're talking about.
You're fine. What is that cattywampus kung fu like?
What?
Cattywampus kung fu. Okay, no, that is not a good idea.
That just stabbed me in the leg. Like that hurt really bad.
It's funny how your equipment's hurting you more than the ski, like the actual falling.
Cattywampus?
Kung fu.
If you wouldn't have said that, I probably wouldn't have said it.
Yeah, I haven't said anything the last 20 times you ate it. Actually, Roxanne, if you ever see this video, she's like 10 times better than you. And it's for her first time.
Okay, why am I doing this? What's going on?
I don't know what you're doing.
Is it because this hill is so steep? Is that why I'm having so steep?
No, it's not that steep. Look, babe.
Oh,
Look at me. Look at me. Just drop into it. And then turn. Like I've been going down this hill backwards all day. Whoop! Whoop! She can, she's just playing. Whoop! Whoop! Don't do that! Don't do that! Put your poles back. Whoop! Okay, don't bring your poles front. Don't bring your poles to the front. I swear to God, she skis so well when she's not scared. This is like heavenly with Roxanne. Fat ass chub chub. Not you, Roxanne. I don't have the right to say that to you. Yeah, but she's like my sister. Okay. Okay. Okay, babe. Hold on. Stop. Stay. Okay, you're just tired, probably. But keep your legs straight out. Okay, this you can do. Just go straight. Don't even turn. Go straight that way. Towards like uphill. Or you could turn downhill and eat it. That hurt? I don't think you want to lay there, babe. Like, there are people that are coming down. Hey, get up first and then you can... What? Get up first. Don't worry about your skis, get up first. Like with your heel.
What?
Okay, put the foot that has a ski on it towards me. Like you want it to be your stopping leg. No, that's your lead leg.
Like what am I trying to do here?
The opposite of what you just did.
Okay.
Okay. Now straighten out your leg. There you go. Okay. Get your skis now. Okay, throwing him is a bad idea in case like it starts going down. Because you're going to have to chase it.
Going what? This is mad silver. I can pull
What
it
are you trying to do?
Aww.
Just go up. Step on it.
Nope.
Just slam it.
I'm in, but I'm...
There you go.
I'm not.
It's like the same way you kick me in the balls. You gotta kind of kick it. You wanna go? Go, because I'm gonna videotape you. Because I'm deleting the other videotapes.
Why?
This is like 10 times more fun than all of them. Okay, you gotta keep your legs from going on each other. It's like, it takes practice.
I can't have a issue like
I know, I've noticed that. No, do not lift your legs off the ground. We went over this. You're just really tired. We've been up like 6-7 times today.
Like 5?
No, this is our 7th time.
I don't count those ones. This only our like 3rd time up here.
Okay, up here, but those little ones, you still get tired. I'm tired, but because I was going backwards the whole way. Okay, there you go, against the hill. Now lean forward. Like put your hands in front of your knees.
What?
Your hands in front of your knees. There you go. Now push off the ground. Actually put some... There you go! Oh my God, you're a pro. Again? Either gain some weight or get pants of your own. Got it? Wanna go? Watch out. Okay, go. Don't worry about it, go. Go! What do you mean no? That little girl's skiing better than you are.
I don't care.
go. Okay, don't lift your skis off the ground, babe. Oh.